Today I'm going to share a simple and effective halal method for making money online, with which you can make up to $10,000 every single month. This method is not only easy, but also very rewarding. So, let's get started. First, head over to Digistore24.com and sign up for free. Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace where you can find hundreds of products that can pay you 30 to 80% commission for every sale you generate. The process is quick and straightforward, so you'll make the account in no time. Once you've signed up, go to the marketplace section. Now generally there are three well-known niches which people choose the most: health, wealth, and relationship. But we are going for a more specific niche and thinking out of the system. Find travel and culture again, click on it, and you'll see a bunch of products appearing on the marketplace. Now scroll a little bit, and you'll find SOS solar phone charger. Click promote now, and it will generate a unique affiliate link for you. Now copy the affiliate link and go to tiny URL. 99% of the websites will block your affiliate link. That's why we will shorten it using tiny URL. This makes the link cleaner and more catchy, and also websites will not block you. Next, head over to Quora.com and sign up for free if you don't already have an account. Quora is a fantastic platform where people ask and answer questions on virtually any topic you can think of. In the Quora search bar, type solar phone charger. You'll see hundreds of people asking questions about solar phone charger. This is where you can step in and provide valuable answers. Now use ChatGPT to help you craft detailed and informative answers to these questions. Don't just copy-paste question into ChatGPT. Make your ChatGPT more unique and creative in answering by using prompts, and use the generated response to provide a helpful and well-informed answer on Quora. At the end of your answer, include your shortened affiliate link with a call to action, like, if you're interested in learning more or purchasing high-quality solar phone charger, learn more here. Now this looks lame, but it actually works because Quora is visited by more than 800 million people every single month. And that's why we chose this specific niche, because the audience is super targeted and they are looking for the answer because they are super interested in it. Now listen carefully. The key here is consistency. Answer as many questions as you can and always include your affiliate link at the end. The more questions you answer, the higher the chances that someone will click on your link and make a purchase, earning you a commission. A bonus tip: you can create questions using ChatGPT, and you can answer them using ChatGPT. Now do this with every single product on this niche, and within a matter of weeks your hard work will pay off and you will start making $10,000 per month passively. And that's it. A simple halal method to make 10K per month online that you shouldn't ignore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more halal money-making tips. Until then, assalamu alaikum.